Why microservices are a game changer for DevOps culture. Microservice architecture has become increasingly popular in software engineering, and many software architects strive to implement it. While it may not always be cost-effective, the benefits of this architecture can be significant if properly balanced against the costs. In this video, we briefly discuss the concept of microservices and explain why it is a suitable architecture for DevOps organizations. But what is microservice architecture? Microservice architecture is a type of SOA that divides an application into a set of loosely coupled services, each responsible for a single task. The aim is to create simple and independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled autonomously. Why microservice architecture? Microservice architecture offers several advantages, including simpler understanding and testing of applications, autonomous team development, independent refactoring processes, and more straightforward continuous delivery and deployment. Additionally, microservices allow for the independent scaling of services, which significantly improves scalability. Differences between SOA and MSA. While there are many similarities between service-oriented architecture and microservice architecture, MSA is more obsessed with loosely coupling. It emphasizes the independence of deploying and scalability, making it easier to deploy continuously and scale up each service independently. Microservices also avoid single points of failure, which is a concern in SOA. But what is DevOps? DevOps is a culture and practice in software engineering that aims to unify software development, dev, and software operation, ops. The main focus of the DevOps movement is automation and monitoring in the software lifecycle, from integration and testing to release, deployment, and infrastructure management. DevOps seeks to shorten development cycles and increase the number of continuous deployments while maintaining business goals. DevOps places great emphasis on team autonomy, where members are accountable for all aspects of a product, thereby fostering greater ownership and responsibility. You probably have heard about Werner Vogel's quote, "The CTO of Amazon, you build it, you run it." One of the essential characteristics of DevOps is autonomy, where team members take full responsibility for all aspects of a product. Microservices architecture helps organizations reach this goal by emphasizing smaller services that can be fully independently deployed. This makes it easier to master the business of a microservice, allowing small teams to take full responsibility for it. Additionally, microservices allow each team to have more innovation and creativity in choosing technology stacks, libraries, and programming languages without affecting the entire project. Microservice architecture also makes it easier to automate the build, test, and deployment process, which aligns with DevOps goals. In conclusion, microservices architecture and DevOps are a perfect match due to their shared principles and goals. Microservices focus on autonomy, scalability, and independence complements DevOps' emphasis on automation and monitoring, making it easier to achieve continuous delivery and deployment while maintaining business goals. The content in this video was taken from an article by Ali Sharafi. If you'd like to read the complete article, you can find the link in the description below.